Welcome, grade 10. In the next lesson under this distance learning program, today we are going to discuss further uh, about the new lesson called the provinces in Nepal. We'll talk about the 7 provinces in Nepal. Uh, let's start. The lesson is the federal provinces in Nepal. We'll talk about the 7 federal provinces in Nepal in brief. We'll talk simply the basic information about the federal provinces. Look at this map. This is the map of Nepal, but you cannot see here this newly proposed Kalapani and Limpiadhura area. Limpiadhura, Lipulek and Kalapani area you cannot see here in this map now. Okay, for now, until it is approved internationally, let's not consider that to discuss further here. So in this map you can see province 1 here, province 2 Bagmati province, Gandaki province, province 5 Karnali province, and Sudur Paschim province. Altogether there are 7 provinces in Nepal. And now we'll see the map of each province, individual province, and we'll talk some additional fact about each province, especially regarding the map. As you know that there are altogether 7 provinces: province 1, province 2, Bagmati province, Gandaki province, province 5, Karnali province, and Sudur Paschim province. 1, 2, and 3. This, and this. 1, 2, and 5. These 3 provinces still they need to get the official name. Okay, let's start. The first province, that is the province 1. The capital of this province is Biratnagar. Biratnagar in Morang district. Biratnagar in Morang, it is located here. The capital, that is Biratnagar. And the chief minister, the current chief minister is Sherdhan Rai. And this province 1 or Pradesh 1 consists of 14 districts. 14 districts. You can see here the districts like Jhapa, Ilam, Pasthar, Terathum, Taplejung, Sankhwasabha, Bhojpur, Dhankuta, Morang, Sunsari, Udaipur, Khotang, Okhaldunga, and Solukhumbu. These are the 14 districts under this province number 1, and this province is located to the far east of Nepal, in this portion of Nepal, to the far east of Nepal. Okay, carefully observe the map, because you are going to get tasks related to this map later at the end of this video. So it is important to carefully observe. Now go to the next province, that is Pradesh 2 or province 2. This province consists of 8 districts. They are Parsa, बारा, रौतहट, सर्लाही, महोत्तरी, Dhanusa, Siraha and Saptari. These 8 districts you can see here, it is located in this part of Nepal. To the southeast, let's say to the southern side of Nepal towards the east, southeast Tarai. In the eastern Tarai of Nepal, you can see the Pradesh Dui or province 2. The chief minister is Muhammad Lal Babu Raut, and Janakpur. Janakpur is in Dhanusa. You can see here Janakpur. Here it is Janakpur. Janakpur is the provincial capital of this province or Pradesh Dui. Okay. Next one. That is the Bagmati Pradesh or Bagmati province. This is our province. This is our province where we are living. Okay. Especially our Chitwan district falls here. Bagmati province consists of 13 districts. They are Chitwan, Dhadin, Rasua, Nuakot, Sindapalchok, Mokwanpur, Kabre, Dolkha, Ramechhap, Sinduli, Bhaktapur, Lalitpur, and finally Kathmandu. So these are the 13 districts in this province, and this part is located in this part of Nepal. Okay, and the name of chief minister is Dormani Paudel, whereas Hetauda is the provincial capital of Bagmati province, which is located in Mokwanpur. Hetauda. Okay, it is located in Mokwanpur district. Then come to the next province, that is Gandaki Pradesh or the Gandaki province. Gandaki Pradesh or Gandaki province consists of 11 districts. They are Baglung, Magdi, Mustang, Manang, Kaski, Parbat, Sangha, Nolpur. Nolpur, it is the half portion of Nolprasi actually. Eastern side of Nolprasi, Nolpur, Tanahu, Lamjung and Gorkha. And this province is located in this section of Nepal. Previously it was Western Development Region. This province covers most part of Western Development Region. And Prithvi Subba Gurung is the chief minister of this province, and it has 11 districts in this province. In this province we see 11 districts, and Pokhara, which is located in Kaski, is the capital of this province. Pokhara is the capital of this province. Look at this. This is the map of province 5. Province 5 consists of 12 districts. They are Bardia, Bake, Dang, Rolva, Rukum, eastern part of Rukum. Okay, the western part is in another province, Karnali province. Putan, Gulmi, Argakhachi, Kavilvastu, Rupandehi, Palpa, and western side of Nolprasi, which is also called Nolprasi. You can omit this. Nolprasi west, no, don't write this, simply write down Nolprasi. Nolprasi, that is the western side of the Nolprasi itself. Okay, and this region is located in this part of Nepal. This one, province 5. And Butwal is its provincial capital, and Sankar Pokhrel is the chief minister of province number 5. It consists of 12 districts. Another province, that is Karnali province. It is the largest province in Nepal in terms of area. Karnali province, the largest province in Nepal, and it consists of 10 districts. They are Humla, Mugu, Dolpa, Jumla, Kalikot, Jajarkot, Rukum, Dailek, Surkhet, and Salyan. And this province is in this part of Nepal. You can see here. It covers most part of Karnali zone of the previous division, Karnali zone and Bheri zone. Birendranagar in Surkhet. Birendranagar in Surkhet is the, what is this called, capital of this province, and Mahendra Babu Shahi is the chief minister, and it consists of 10 districts. It is one of the most backward province in Nepal. Okay, and the last one is the Sudur Paschim province, which consists of 9 districts. They are Kanchanpur, Kailali, Doti, Daldura, Baitadi, Darchula, Bajang, Bajura, and Acham. And at present time, this Darchula district, it has a border dispute with India, and actually this much of area is now conflicted area, what we call this one as Kalapani, Lipulek, and Lipiadura area. Kalapani is somewhere here, Lipiadura here in this side, and Lipulek is here. Kalapani, Lipiadura, Lipulek, and Kalapani area. And this is the conflict between Nepal and India. Let's see what happens in future. It will be sorted out most probably. Okay, we'll discuss this much here. Okay, sorry, one more information about this. This Sudur Paschim province consists of 9 districts, and it is in this part. Actually, it is the far western development region of the previous development region. That is administrative division under the development concept of development region. So Godavari is the capital, which is also called Uttariya, and Trilochan Bhatta is the chief minister of this province. Dear students, now in this topic we'll discuss this much. Let's do a task, a small map work. Tax time. You just need to label the maps of different provinces. Let's do that. Okay, task 1. In this task, you have to do the, you can see here the 7 provinces indicated by different Devanagari alphabets like Ko, Kho, Go, Gho, Tho, To, Ma. You just write down what these alphabets indicate, which provinces they are indicating in your copy, and complete that. Task 2 is related to province 1, and you had already learned the districts simply here you have to do the name of the districts indicated by K1, K2, K3, K4, K5, K6 and so on. You have to complete all the districts indicated here, indicated by letter and alphabet and numbers. This is the task 3, map of province 2, and A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Different alphabets are here indicating different districts. Name them. Simply you have to name those districts. This is the task 4, map of Bagmati province and the districts. All the districts you have to mention here. Can you see your Chitwan district? Yes, it is here, indicated by letter M. Similarly, T, O, X, S, Q, P, W, F, E, all alphabet you have to find out, consult a map, or you can go back to the video and again look at the map of province, Bagmati province, and from there also you can find out. Task 5. This is the map of Gandaki province, and here you have to indicate the districts, mention the districts, label the districts indicated by letter A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 and A6. Only 6 districts you have to mention here. This is the Pradesh 5 or province 5. You have to mention Devanagari alphabet and number. क 1, ख 2, ग 3, घ 4, च 5, द 9. You have to mention these districts, name of these districts. And task 7, that is the Karnali province, map of Karnali province, where you can see the alphabet and numbers like the R1, which district is indicated by this, R2, R3, R4 and R5. And the last one is the Sudur Paschim province. You have to mention all the 9 districts indicated by each number: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So this was for today. You complete this task and mail me as soon as possible, and make sure you have to do all these tasks and you have to send all the tasks every day, after every class. By the evening you have to do it. It is compulsory, and I hope all of you will do it. And this much in this lesson. We'll further discuss in the upcoming classes. Thank you. Great time.